Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Beyond the Briefcase. I hope you are doing well. So, welcome back to my legal segment where we discuss different case laws which are very important for various topics for various aspects. So today, the Honorable Supreme Court stayed trial against a YouTuber over identity disclosure of POCSO victim. So you must be knowing that all the POCSO victim, any rape victim, it's a moral and legal obligation of the media of any other particular person to maintain their dignity. You cannot disclose their identity because every human has their own self-esteem, self-respect. So it's your moral and legal obligation to maintain their dignity. So in this particular case, the High Court, the Honorable Supreme Court said that Kerala police appeared to be persecuting him. So Honorable Supreme Court gave relief to that particular person. I'll tell you the case name, which Suraj Sukumar versus State of Kerala. So today, Honorable Supreme Court issued notice on Kerala-based YouTuber Suraj Palakaran's plea for questioning criminal proceedings initiated against him over the disclosure of identity of a victim in a POCSO Act case. So see again, people, I fail to understand why such people just to get some views, just to get some popularity. See, they are not even respecting victims' identity, but still, thanks to our judiciary systems, this YouTuber got relief from the Honorable Supreme Court. A bench of Justice Suryakant and Koteshwar Singh heard the matter and stayed the trial in the case, being of the view that the police authorities appear to be persecuting Palakar instead of prosecuting. So yeah, sometimes police officials they do misbehave with people who does such crimes. According to me, disrespecting someone else's self-esteem is a huge crime. So, at the outset of this hearing, Honorable Justice Kant, said that petitioner had disclosed photographs of the father and grandfather of the child victim, and Section 23 of POCSO Act prohibits such publications which could lead to disclosure of identity. For context, Section 3 subclause 2 read thus: no reports in any media shall disclose the identity of a child, including his name, address, photograph, family details, school, neighborhood, or any other particular which may lead to disclosure of identity of the child. See, you can imagine if something is if a very I would say a bad crime is happening with you, it gives you a trauma till you're alive. So it becomes the duty of court, judiciary, it becomes duty of legislation, executive body to maintain the dignity of that particular victim. That's why we came up with this particular section. Judge underlined that a case pertained to a small town in Kerala, while revealing the names and pictures of a father grandfather could easily lead to disclosure of identity of a child. So yeah, honorable judge is absolutely right. It's not a metropolitan city like Delhi, Mumbai. It's not a huge place, it's a small place. And you must be knowing that in small towns it's just take 1 or 2 3 days to get to the reality or to reach out to that particular person with whom the crime happened. So if you read the judgment, the honorable court also said that, so the petitioner he contended that the police registered a case against the petitioner because he criticized police officers as well. It was also stressed that the petitioner never disclosed the name or photograph of a child victim. So that was the argument given by the petitioner. In closing, the Honorable Court said that while staying the trial against the petitioner, Justice Khan said that he was in blatant violation of Section 23 of POCSO Act, and therefore it would be better if he made amends by issuing apology through his channel. However, the relief was being granted as the bench felt that the Kerala police were persecuting of instead him prosecuting. So yeah, so there is a person Palikaran. He runs a YouTube channel by the name of True TV. In one of his videos, he apparently sought to bring plight the plight of a woman whose husband used their son to make false statements against her and got a case registered under POCSO Act. So through this particular case, we understood the importance of Section 23 of POCSO Act, right? Also, Section 482 of CRPC. So the case name, as I mentioned, Suraj Sukumar versus State of Kerala. Do keep in mind this particular case. It could come in your, upcoming examination. It will also help you out in your litigation because this case plays a very important role when it comes to Section 23 of POCSO Act. That's how we study case laws, right? That why a particular case law is important and to what context they are important. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have liked the video. Do share this video with your friends who are into practice, who wants to appear for any sort of examinations. Stay tuned for more informative videos. And thank you so much. Do like and subscribe my channel for more videos.